So here we are in the ladies bar, and we're just going to go through now how to use the Chem Connect, which is this device which connects to the outlet of the filter. And in here you have the Chem Connect, so we're just going to turn it and remove it from the water. And here it is here, under the water. And they're just 50 times 20 grams of the clear water pool and spa chemicals, the multifunction chlorine tablets. Really easy, probably 2 tablets, 3 days to dissolve. And I've just taken out 2 tablets ready because obviously you want to do it with dry hands. So there's the 2 tablets I'm going to put into the Chem Connect. So again, go under the water, click, take the Chem Connect off, and then dry hand, place in here 1, 2, and then replace the lid like so. Now you don't want to put these tablets directly into the water, and you're going to click it shut. And as you can see, there is a dial on here to say maximum and minimum output. So we're going to set it to the minimum output, and then we're going to replace this again back on here. Now that is slowly going to release the hot water out the centre there. So with those tablets, as you can see, the clarifier, it does keep the water lovely and clear. I mean, it does look like there's a slight green tinge from the water, but I think it's just reflections and everything, because it is actually super, super clear. And as you saw, I took a filter out earlier, and in one of my previous videos you've probably seen how I clean these. So this is the filter I took out after 24 hours use, and the green in there is just from the algae in the water. So all we're going to do is we're just going to take this one now, pop it in the washing machine.